Would you say, Professor, that it was a political miscalculation for the administration to zero in on this flood control scandal?
Well, I think calculated move naman yan on the part of the administration. It's just that they were unable to control, the process. Hindi nila na-control. They thought that they could, the president could use it against his former allies. But then eventually, it began to have a life of its own na hindi na nila makontrol. So, paano nila ngayon ito tatapusin? Siguro iniisip nila, wag yung mga dineliver nilang mga pangako, yung mga pinangako nila hayaan nilang para mag-die down na lang. Wag na ignore na lang nila eventually. O kaya mag-deliver sila at least 50% or even less of what they promised.
Pero yun nga, Professor, parang they're not willing to let it die down, which is, I think, a good thing naman, no? Like you said, itong mga performative things or performative acts, these are what they can do in the interim. Kasi sa totoo lang, alam naman natin lahat mabagal yung usad ng mga kaso kung susunod tayo sa mga judicial timelines, investigative timelines. So in your assessment, no, in the past year, were they able to balance the performative aspect while, actually also working really hard on the investigation and juridical part of it?
Yeah, you're right about that in pointing out that the legal process takes a very long time to conclude. So in the meantime, what they are doing, what the administration has been doing, is to engage in performative actions or performative leadership. The problem with that is that it tends to go back. It tends to boomerang doon sa mga nagpe-perform yan, yung performative leadership. Tinatamaan sila ngayon. And look at the surveys, the latest surveys, survey ratings of the president. Bumaba, although hindi naman sobrang baba, pero makikita mo na nag-suffer din siya. Supposedly, originally, siya dapat ang nag-gain dito sa public perception. Actually, nag-gain siya nung umpisa nung kanyang expose, yung mahiya naman kayo. But eventually, as time went by, parang hindi na nagbe-benefit yung presidente dito sa bagay na kanyang sinumulan. So, yun ang problema. Nagbo-boomerang siya doon sa author ng expose na to.
Kasi wala naman siyang follow-through na ginawa.
That's right, walang follow-through. O hindi ma-meet yung target.